Doctor?
Hello classmate, hello teacher. In this occasion I will talk about the use of rainwater in rural areas. This is my expert, engineer Manuel Garcia. My friend is Eliseo Lopez and Magalis Nunez. Well, we start the interview. Okay, how does climate change influence in captation of rainwater?
Okay. There are many techniques or practice that of rainwater captation. For example, the lagoons, or little or big lakes, or a plastic bottles, or different materials. So it's a it's a technique of climate change adaptation because you know the the climate is so different right now than some years ago. So actually, you don't know, you cannot forecast persistence. You can know exactly when rain in your farm in your area. So you need to be preparado.
To prepare.
You need to be prepared for the little rain for the little rain. So in this case, it's a practice of climate change adaptation.
Okay, it's like to prevent
Yeah.
when the dry.
Because you don't know the future. Exactly, you don't know the future, so you need to be prepared for the things that will happen in the future.
Okay.
Okay, and today we live in a world where the technology have an important role in the society, almost in all areas. And for example, in this case, is in environmental and science. But what type of technology exists to take advantage of the rainwater?
Okay, some technologies are more efficient than others. For example, if you have for example, in the agroecological farm, we have 4 lagoons, but you know that the last lagoon have a sand soil, and then and it doesn't permit that the water can be saved for a long time, and that is a low efficiency technology. But if you collect all the water in a place that is waterproof, for example, you can save for a long time the water, and you can less you can you can lose less water.
Okay, in for other side, we know and what are the advantages of the collection of this rainwater.
Hmm.
And for example, in developed countries or in cities. But what happened with the people that live in rural areas?
Okay, they are the more beneficial, yeah, beneficial because they they are the more vulnerable person in the country. You know, they don't have a lot of money. They don't have high technologies than the people who live in the city. Uh, they don't have that knowledge. So in this case, they are the more beneficial because if they are prepared for the hard time in the future, they can produce food in the dry stage. So in this case, they cannot suffer insecurity food. So in this case, they are the more beneficial.
Okay, I have two questions. My first question is in which place this practice is more common?
Oh, I guess it's in the Mesoamerican dry corridor because it's a place in where where less rain. So in this case, you need to save the little amount of water. So I guess it's most common this area, Zamorano, for example.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, thank you, Ian,
Okay, you're welcome.
to your
Okay.
time. And well, it's very important to approach the water because you don't know where to add the rainwater will go because you don't know the future, and you need to save this water to your family or to your plants.
Remember.